Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turning on your post notifications. As you can see by the title, I am opening up my own wig business. Ooh, it's lit. If you are just now seeing this and you are new to, the news about my wig business, it's a little too late to get onto the first wig launch, but that is okay because you can sign up for my next wig launch. I do it every other week. The babes that are signed up into my email list gets first dibs. If I sell out through my email list, unfortunately it's not open to the public, but if I still have some wigs after my launch, I of course will open it up to the public on Instagram, so definitely sign up for my email list down below. But I just wanted to tell you, talk to you guys and let you know, the 411 and what's happening with this wig launch. So obviously this wig launch is called ReesieWigs. It is refurbished wigs. They are already used, lightly used to be exact, and they are customized and styled. So any wig that you see on my channel, I am reselling. I only resell the wigs that I wear one time and is very good quality. So if I feel like it's not good quality, I either reduce the price to very, very cheap, or I'm just not selling it at all because I just don't feel comfortable selling or giving wigs away that I wouldn't wear personally. So yeah, this wig launch of course launched September 1st, and of course my email babes got it a week ahead, so fingers crossed that it did sell out. I don't know. So I just want to tell you guys my little journey with starting this wig business. I of course wanted to sell something to you guys and give something away to you guys for the people that really support my channel. And I wanted to do another hustle, another way to create an income for me so I can pay these bills, okay, and make content for you guys. I got a lot of questions on my TikTok and Instagram. Okay, girl, you having all these wig deals. Are you gonna give these wigs away? I'm like, you know what? Maybe I should. I got enough questions and enough feedback to those that follow me that they were very interested in buying wigs off of me, even if I wore it on top of my head. And then I seen other wig influencers do the same thing, and I reached out to them and asked questions on how to go about it, all of that, and they have been very, very helpful. I really love the wig community because we are just so just open about how to do things, and open about talking to brands and really having just a community of girls that is interested in applying wigs and just making ourselves look bomb, okay, especially on a budget, of course. So yeah, so I decided, you know what, let me gather up this information. I put in all my legal documents from LegalZoom. Me personally, my experience with LegalZoom was okay. I'm still in the process of getting all my paperwork together, but I feel like I would have been a faster journey if I did it myself. But I just felt like there's so much going on with my life that I'd rather have someone else do it for me rather than me personally trying to look up how to do this, how to do that. So I had to open up a business bank account, open up a business credit line. I'm still in the works with that, but I obviously started my business way before this is happening, so it's kind of a little stressful because it's I want to have a legitimate business, but there's paperwork, I gotta sign all these things and making sure my name is in a DBA and stuff like that, so it's a lot. So once I got my legal stuff read, finished or whatever, it did take all summer, you guys. Mind you, I started this business in the beginning of the summer, and I'm launching it 3 months later. So it did take a while for me to get everything together, learn some mistakes that I've made, and hopefully this can give you guys either inspiration to start your own wig business or just information about my wig business and how to navigate purchasing a wig from me. So of course I wanted to make a very exclusive wig drop, so I didn't want to buy so many more wigs and to like ship a lot of wigs out. I wanted it to be very exclusive so I can really pinpoint and take my time with customizing my wigs. So I am pacing myself, and that's why I'm doing an email type of thing. I want, like, you know, the customer experience to be very intimate, like with just me and the customer, and being able to email and make sure like the wig is good to go and is perfect for you personally. And so I decided to do the email route, and I ended up investing into a logo. I went on Canva and created a logo very fast. I'm a very indecisive person, so I just felt like I just needed to hurry up and get something. I wanted to be very creative, but creativity takes a while, and I didn't have that much time, especially some of y'all girls was in my DMs talking about when you dropping. I'm like, okay, let me get this branding stuff out the way. So I got the logo, I ordered my little welcome cards on Canva. It came out with a couple days. I ordered customized wig boxes and bags from an Etsy shop. I'll have her listed below. I did email her and she gave me an invoice. The boxes took like 3 weeks to come, so that was a very long process in itself. I might find, you know, someone else to do the boxes or order stickers and do it myself, because it is way cost effective to do that instead of doing custom made boxes at first, because I dropped some money on this branding, okay, you guys. Another thing I invested in was a tag gun and some little tags off of Canva that I purchased as well. They're very affordable. For $50, I only spent like $20. For the thank you cards, I think I spent like $40. So it was like very cost effective for the branding purposes. And then the gun I got off of Amazon, and I just feel like adding little things to a wig brand, like, you know, I got, you know, this whole channel is, you know, about hair, beauty, fashion, all that. But when it comes to hair, in my reviews, I pay attention to the branding with the boxes. I pay attention how wig companies, you know, treat the customers, all of that with my wig business. So I took all that into account. And so, you know, I invested in some extra elastic bands from Amazon. You know, I'm adding elastic bands, edge control brushes, a wig cap, and just one secret item that I put into the bag with the welcome card to, you know, have like a little gift bag experience for my beautiful babes. I just want to do a nice little experience when it comes to the people who are investing their money with me. So I invested into that. I got some like black wrapping paper, some little confetti, you know, to make it look like it's a gift from me to you, especially if you're investing your money with me. I just want to make sure everything is so perfect and keen. So yeah, so that's why I do like exclusive wig drops. So every package is made with love. Of course, you see the wig and how it looks like in 4K quality. So I always link the video with the wig that I am selling, so you guys can see up close like how it's really looking. And yeah, so I invested in all of that. I also invested into a scale so I can write down everything. I just put all the information into PayPal. I send you guys an invoice, and everything is done through there. So it is very safe, both for me as a business owner and safe for you as a client. And yeah, so it's a super fun experience. Yeah, so if you are interested in purchasing one of my Reesie wigs, definitely sign up to the email list below, because you will have first dibs on the list. And when it drops, feel free to email me feel free to email me back with that email and say, hey, I want the Alex wig, or I want the Grace wig, and then I'll just send you the invoice. If you are the first one, I'll send you the invoice. If you aren't, I'll be like, you know, unfortunately we don't have these, but I have some of these other ones available. And if unfortunately it sells out, I will give you guys a time when the next wig drop will go. A lot of these wigs I have double, so if you really like a wig, most likely I have another wig similar to the wig that you like. And you know these wigs are top quality, so you can never have to worry about it. And they're already ready to wear once you get it. I condition, I wash 2 times, I condition and make sure I deep condition. I make sure everything is styled into a certain part, so they're just ready to put on. Just put your foundation onto the lace and lay your hair and be good to go, honey, okay? Before we end this video, I appreciate you making it to the end, and for that, you have entered the giveaway. You can win up to a $500 wig, you guys. All you have to do is put your Instagram @ or handle in the comments and explain why you are following me. That's it. The giveaway dates enter is today all the way up to September 8th, and the winner will be announced September 9th at 9 a.m. Pacific Coast time. Definitely get your hands on this wig. I appreciate you guys for the support, and I'll definitely start doing more wig giveaways. That's all I have to really tell you guys that's happening into my life, and another little business that I am launching and already launched. I truly appreciate each and every one of you by just viewing all my videos and just giving me the courage to expand my business. But you guys, that is basically it. Don't forget to sign up for my email list below on my website, and check out my website, you know, stock me a little. I have so much free content out here that can put you guys on. So even if you don't have the money to afford any of my little digital products or physical products, I have free content out there for you to enjoy. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.